NVIDIA special. Is the piper playing? The music has already begun. Well, this is right up my wheelhouse. I have a special for you here directly from Jensen Huang. You're going to love this. NVIDIA special. Lots of news, lots of music. That's a clue. But and I know all about music because this is me doing my my Vegas show. So I'm very interested in this technology which we're about to learn about. This is me doing a quick bit in Vegas here. You see the orchestra and all the rest of it. So NVIDIA is getting very musical, right? Did you know that? Did you know I had a Vegas show? So anyway, if you look closely, there's a little message here. A little message. Is this the Illuminati? What's going on here? Shall we come and talk about NVIDIA? Comments below. Why am I wearing a suit? Why am I wearing this jacket with this special symbol on it? Anyway, enough of that. Let's talk about this. From Jensen Huang himself, the studio is red because people are fearful around NVIDIA. Should they be? You decide. Let's have a listen into Jensen Huang and make some comments on a world exclusive just out, and I'm excited to share it with you right now.
Fugato is the latest generative AI breakthrough from NVIDIA. This new model allows you to create sounds, speech, and music.
Right. The first time NVIDIA investors can see a financial path, a profitable path to retail end users. Yes, we all know about the gamers with the chips, yada yada, but that's not the big money. This could be. So now, for the first time, we're seeing enterprise continue to grow, but the opportunity to move into retail investment. And this is where another stock comes in, and I'll mention it at the end. And you could have been up 30% on it if you'd listened to me when I gave you the world exclusive members only video a few days ago. What is it? Stand by for that. I'll tell you the connection between that and this, and you could be up 30% today already.
From text and audio inputs, you can guide Fugato to create unexpected sound effects, where familiar sounds take on surprising new qualities and invoke new experiences.
I might just want to mute some of this audio just for copyright reasons, so I don't want to get too much problem there. Yeah, they're playing some audio we don't want to feature. Let it play though. This is only a short video. It's only like a couple of minutes long. And then I'll tell you about the connection with my new company.
Direct, immersive, and shifting soundscapes for film or audio productions.
Well, there we go. Create a sound where a train passes by and becomes a lush string orchestra. Incredible, right? I'm just trying to avoid the audio. Yeah, scares me really because I actually write music properly. But anyway, we're investors here.
Instructing Fugato to extract audio elements from a sound clip, such as isolating a voice track in a piece of music, is just as easy.
And again, we just want to be careful. We're just picking audio here. This will copyright the video. So we'll just pass that by. So we're picking up an audio track now and sending it out as our own tracks. Quite incredible what this is doing.
Also allows you to generate new speech samples.
Kids are talking by the door.
And if you want a different delivery, Fugato can do that too.
Kids are talking by the door.
Or you could just be an artist like me and write stuff for yourself rather than rely on AI. Just saying.
Also lets musicians experiment with existing audio by adding new instruments.
So we're going to change the audio. We're looking at this the perspective of investors making money. I'm just trying to avoid all the audio, obviously, as we make the video. Got to be careful on that. Don't want to get any copyright flags. There we go. There's me playing the piano. Very nice. Stand by for the news of the connection here. Very nice. I like it. Come on, Jensen, talk to me. Very good. Yes, I like all the singing. Prefer doing it myself for real.
Unusual instrument combinations like this.
It's quite incredible, isn't it? Scary to think how I'm going to be put out of business here as the world piano man, but never mind.
New realms, producing sounds that bring creative concepts to life.
Oh dear. saxophone howling, barking like a dog.
Fugato
We don't want that. I got bit by a dog yesterday. Don't want that.
that gives you sonic super new possibilities for creativity and production.
There you go. Latest from NVIDIA, latest from Jensen Huang himself. What do you think about that? Well, a few days ago, I gave you the information about we are going to be at some point moving into retail. It's not all about enterprise money forever. At some point, we're going to want to sell these products, services, technologies to the end user. This is the beginning of it, in addition to what we've already had for years, the gaming consoles and so on, the graphics cards. But I told you about a stock where I did a world exclusive a few days ago. I'm going to share it with you now. By the way, look at my portfolio. We're breaking all-time highs again. It's 133, all very close. Never lose money here. Win on every trade. Never lost on a trade since we rebalanced. This is the one. Since we did the interview, it's up 30%. Because at some point, we're going to need AI. NVIDIA is the leader. AI to link wirelessly to home products. This music studio is part of it. Think about it for a moment. This was the dip here. There was the dip, 30% today since our interview. So worth looking at. At some point, you've got to link everything up. And this business is under the radar. No one's talking about it because you've got Mobix Labs who are partnering with these sort of companies. And very soon you're going to hear me talk live on the earnings call. I am going to ask a question directly to the company. So I'm very excited about this. Full disclosure, I don't own it. I only own the S&P. I'm not pumping it. And I'm not sponsored by them to say this. I'm just telling you what I'm finding out. When you walk through the airport and you put your hands up in the air, that scanner is Mobix. People think about Mobix Labs as a 5G integration, as in telephones, making phone calls. No, it's not. It's how to move data around quickly. Well, NVIDIA is the data king, right? Well, if you're at home and you're recording music and you're doing this, and the other, this, that, and the other, you've got to be able to move things from one device to another instantly, really quickly. And that's where Mobix 5G and all this technology comes in. So I see a synergy here. So we could be looking at Mobix Labs in the future being the new NVIDIA. Strategic partner. Just a thought, just an idea, what I'm hearing, not financial advice, but remember the day I mentioned it to you, and it's already gone up 30% on my world exclusive members only live event. Anyway, if you want to hear about that, I'll post it up there now. So anyway, there's our NVIDIA information this morning. The music is playing. Retail investors, retail now can start getting involved. This can benefit the stock. It's still a great stock. I wouldn't be trading NVIDIA. I'd just be owning it, always owning it, not selling it. I own it for the S&P, as you know. And consider Mobix Labs as a partner, a strategic partner. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. If you want breaking news like this, 24 hours a day, I'm actually live now 24 hours a day. Sounds bonkers, true. Reviewing stocks 24 hours a day in the extra channel. This is it, live right now. This is me behind the scenes, live right now. The camera's not always on, obviously, because I have to sleep. But we're showing analysis. There's audio in the background. It's not piano music anymore. It's -14. I'm analyzing stocks 24 hours a day for you on our radio show. There you go. Go and check it out. And also you can talk to the investors, protected by a paywall of 99 cents. So no bots and scammers in there. And you can have a conversation and find out what's going on. You can alert me to breaking news and I can come back whenever it breaks and make updates. So very, very useful tool. It's our Martyn Lucas Investor 24-hour-a-day radio show. I mean, it doesn't get better, does it? Anyway, click above my head for all the links down below in the description. You'll find all the links. We are running a Black Friday deal at the moment for all seeking alpha, and alpha spread runs out soon. To take advantage of all the Black Friday deals, it's in the chat for those watching live, of course, on both channels right now. I'm posting it to the extra channel as well for those watching and listening to the radio show. And there you go. Great. I'm really excited. Over here, I shall put the NVIDIA playlist with everything to do with NVIDIA. And down here, I'll put the Mobix playlist. I'll also pin it above my head and down below in the comments. So basically, you turn around and blink, you'll miss it. It's everywhere. All right. And that didn't make any sense. Doesn't matter. You know what I meant. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.